Okay, we're going to do an exercise called the fire hydrant series. Now this is sort of all based on kind of the same motion, but we're doing a circular motion forward, a circular motion backward, and then more of a side-to-side motion. So it's all related around the same muscles, but we just want to kind of use different control and work on just slightly kind of different range of motion control. It's going to help with hip flexibility as well as strengthening some of the muscles in the glute area of the hips and the hip rotating muscles. And hopefully if you have tight hips, this will loosen them up a bit. And this should make your hips more stable. So when you go to do activities like, you know, running or cycling or anything involving jumping, that you'll have more stable hips to either speed you up or help you to jump higher, you know, help you move faster, but also help you to slow down in a safer and quicker way. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You're going to be on all fours. Okay, so your hands and knees. And you're going to bend one knee as much as you can. You're going to do a forward circle. So the leg kind of comes up to the back and then it kind of opens out to the side, comes forward, and then back again. So you'll do however many reps of that. Often it'll be 10 reps. Okay. Then you'll just reverse it and you'll bring the knee forward as far as you can, then lift it to the side, and then bring it back and around. And you would do that 10 times, or however many times you're doing it. Then the side one will also keep the knee bent, and you'll just go straight out to the side, pause, and then back down. Okay, I don't want you like rushing and going so fast that you're kind of sloppy. You don't have to go super slow, but kind of be steady enough that you can focus on a big range of motion and that you have really good control and you can feel the muscle group and the area that you're trying to work instead of just flopping around and going really fast. Okay, and then so you can see that this way, side to side will be like that. Forward circle will be like that, and reverse circle will be like that. Now, there's one other detail I want to mention. You might be able to see it, and this is probably going to be your natural instinct, which is when you pick up one of your bases of support, you kind of lean your weight toward that support leg more. Okay, and that's not necessarily wrong, but it kind of makes it extra easy, and we want to actually challenge those muscles a little bit. So if you widen your hands a little bit, and when you start to do, whether it's your circles or your side lifts, instead of leaning your weight towards the support leg, if your hands are wide enough, you should be able to lean a little bit away from the support leg as you're doing the lifts or the circles. And in addition to making that a little bit harder on the glute muscles, it'll actually force your abs to engage a little bit more to stabilize yourself. So again, instead of leaning toward the support leg as you lift the other leg, try to lift towards the lifting leg a little bit as you lift, and that'll actually make the exercise more challenging in a good way.